Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni General Alexander Villano, former AFP Chief of Staff. Title, Test of Will Enforcement. This is the real test of Rimulya. John Vic Rimulya ba? So, hamon ito. The Department of Interior and Local Government has issued Memorandum Circular 2026-006 banning the display of names, photos, and likenesses of public officials on government projects. On paper, it looks bold. In law, it is solid. In principle, it is correct. But, ito na yung but. Ito na yung hamon. In real life, this is not about issuing a memo. This is about command. This directive is now the true test of Interior Secretary John Vic Rimulya's authority over the country's vast bureaucracy and over the police, fire service, local DILG offices who operate daily under the shadow of mayors, governors, and congressmen. Ayan. So, kanino ang loyalty nitong mga PNP chiefs, ano? Ang nag-recommend sa kanila dyan, ang mga mayor, ang governor, ang mga congressman. So, sino ang susundin nila? Example, merong epal politiko, may mukha. Yung provincial commander, ang naglakad sa kanyang promotion or position yung congressman. Tatanggalin ba ng provincial commander yung picture na yon? May magagalit si congressman. Ganon yun eh. Tama ito. The legal foundations are already there. Mayroon. The Constitution, RA 6713, COA Rules, the General Appropriations Act. The memo itself spells them out clearly. There is no legal excuse left. The only remaining question is political will. Maganda yung memorandum. Tanggalin. Dapat walang mga tarpo-tarpolin dyan na may mga muka. Nakakabwisit. Dito sa pag nagbibiyahe ako sa Mindanao, mayroong, hindi ko lang pangalanan, yung kongresista. Every pagliko mo, may muka siya. Project of, mukha lang niya. Sige nga, kung matatanggal ang mga yon. Gun is the era. Ito, tinori niya nung panahon ni Tatay Digong. Gun is the era of the DILG under Rodrigo Duterte. When Duterte spoke, and the DILG, PNP, and the entire chain of command moved in unison, top to bottom, orders were executed, directives were feared, discipline was enforced. Correct. Nakakamiss ngayon yung panahon ni Tatay Digong. Pag nag-decide si Tatay Digong, sunod lahat dahil alam nila yung style ni Tatay Digong eh. Kamay na bakal. Ngayon, meron pa ba? Ayuwan ko kung meron pa ba eh. Ang presidente nga natin, yung punta tayo sa kwento ni Congressman Toby Chanco. Nagalit siya sa kanyang pinsan, bakit nyo tinanggalan ng pundo ang aking mga flagship projects? Ibalik nyo. Yes, boss, pinsan. Ibabalik namin sa BICAM. Hindi naman ibinalik. Kaya naging most corrupt budget ang 2025 budget dahil hindi nila sinunod yung utos ng presidente. So, sayang, panahon ni Tatay Digong, dapat ganun ang leader, isang salita lang, susunod lahat. Ano ngayon? Tingnan natin. The question now is, can Rimulya command the same obedience? Can this order survive the first angry phone call from a governor? Ang galing, Will a chief of police dare remove a tarpaulin bearing a mayor's smiling face? Will a provincial director order the dismantling of a governor's billboard? Will a fire marshal take down a tarp sponsored by a congressman? Ang galing. Or will this circular quietly die in filing cabinets while politicians' faces continue to decorate every waiting shade, ambulance, school wall, and barangay hall. Because in the Philippines, the real chain of command is open, not Manila. Yan. It is the local politician who controls promotion, transfers, and budget. Agree ako dito. This is real talk. And that is the uncomfortable truth. If Secretary Remulla intends to seek national office in 2028, klaro na oh, this moment will matter more than any speech he makes. Leadership is not proven by drafting memos. It is proven by forcing compliance. Thus, his power and influence reach every police station, every fire station, every DILG office. Will local commanders choose the law over their political patrons? Will barangay captains dare remove tents bearing a politician's name and face? Not because the law is unclear, but because national leadership is seen as weak. Agree ako dito. Mahina, 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 mahina. Sayang, hindi tayo naniwala kay Tatay Digong noon na nag-warning. O, bahala kayo. Iboto nyo yan. He is a very weak leader. O, mahina nga. This memo challenges a deeply rooted culture of political ownership of public projects, the belief that roads, buildings, and relief goods belong to the official whose name is printed on them. The true measure of Secretary Remulla's authority is not whether he can issue a circular, but whether he can make every police chief, fire marshal, and DILG officer enforce it against their own political benefactors. Can he make the system choose law over loyalty? Can he protect officers who follow the order when local officials retaliate? Can he impose discipline without blinking? This directive will not be tested in Quezon City. It will be tested in provinces, municipalities, and barangay, where tarpaulin are thicker than the law and where obedience is often political, not legal. The order is correct. The law is clear. The mandate is justified. Now comes the hard part. Enforcement. Congratulations, Secretary Junvic Remulla. Either you make it or break it. Babantayan namin ito. Sana magtagumpay ka. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tahanan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Taga Anamog-yero, sumagatop na siya.
Patuyo ko na.
Karon naman nagkit sa pag-atop, so may nagit siya nga atop kay kuha man naman.
Salamat sa Ginoo og sa nagtabang nga sen. Dagan jud kayo salamat. Dili na ko maulanan kay nakahuman ako og atop.
So pila da imong anak?
Duha ka buok.
Tanan na naga-eskwela.
Tanan naga-eskwela.
Oo, so pila na da imong edad?
30.
30 na ka. So kuan gyud. Unsa da inyong panginabuhian inyong trabaho sa imong bana?
Ang trabaho sa akong bana magtanom og mais o mag-garden sa carrots. Ora.
Lagi ba? Kay ang pag-garden kuan mangyapon usahay bagsak ang presyo.
Sa jud. Hinaot unta nga magpadayon ni nga tabang para daghan ang matabangan.
So salamat kaayo.
Salamat kaayo.
Mm.